Surah Al-Qari'ah, a Makki surah with 11 ayahs. Let's read after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Just like Surah Al-Humazah, this surah is ending with some of the ayahs with the letter of circular ta. So whenever you see a circular ta, you have to change it into ha sakin. So make sure you're doing that and you remember the rule. Let's read. Al-Qari'ah. Good. Mal Qari'ah. وما أدراك ما القارعة يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث. Make sure you're reading it soft. وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش فأما من Good job. ثقولت قاف is heavy. موازينه فهو في. You can see I stretched this one. You can say that it's a kasrah before fa, but you can see the next letter is ya, which is having a sukoon on the top. So this is ya madda. So that's why we stretched. في عيشة عيشة راضية وأما من خفت موازينه فأمه هاوية وما أدراك Kaf is light ما هي نار حامية. Read it together. نار حامية. Yes. So this is the end of Surah Al-Qari'ah. Make sure practice word by word. You can pause the video to learn more effectively. See you in the next video. Follow for more.